Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on starting on Google Meet. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Google Meet. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.